Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get a Calendly API key. It is actually pretty easy to do. So first up, open up your web browser. And here, log into calendly.com. All right, hit on enter and wait for the website to load. Now, once it loads, go to the left panel. All right, click on integrations and apps. Just click on it. And in here, as you can see, we have these integrations right here available. So what we'll do is click on the search function and type in API. All right. And as you can see here, we have API and webhooks. Just click on it. And here we have our option to get our personal access tokens or OAuth. Okay. So as the title suggests, we're going to get the API key. Just go ahead and click on personal access tokens. Get it now. Continue. Now go ahead and add a name for this API key or token. For example, sample API. All right. Create token. There will be a verification code, which was sent to the email that is used to sign up with this Calendly account. All right. Paste that code in here. And here you have your API key. Just copy the token and paste it wherever it is needed. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.